Good evening, dear students. Today again we are having a new lecture. Till the last video, we have covered the halo form test. Reduction and oxidation we have completed. Now we are going to discuss about the aldol condensation and cross aldol. So these two are the very important reactions. So be with me. Now we are going to start the aldol and cross aldol condensation. Okay. So here, according to the information, aldol condensation and cross aldol condensation is given. We will discuss about the aldol condensation and cross aldol reaction here. At the same time, that is known as reduction due to alpha hydrogen. Okay, reduction due to alpha hydrogen. So we are going to check the reduction here. So this is the carbonyl group. In that case, this is carbonyl group C double bond O C one H and one like this. So this is the carbonyl group, children, and this hydrogen, this carbon is known as alpha carbon, and hydrogen attached to alpha carbon known as alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen. Okay, so this is your main group, and main group, then alpha carbon and hydrogen attached known as alpha hydrogen. So here what happened, what is the reaction? If this is reacting with dilute NaOH, so in that case, in dilute NaOH, that alpha hydrogen is highly acidic. Alpha hydrogens are highly acidic in nature. Highly acidic in nature. Remember this point always, alpha hydrogens are highly acidic in nature. Then what happened? From here dilute NaOH, that OH will approach the hydrogen, and hydrogen electron shifted to the carbon species. So what we are getting now? We are getting carbon to carbon double bond, single bond, and due to the hydrogen electron, this carbon is having negative sign. This will show resonance. Why resonance? These electrons shifted here and pi electrons shifted over the carbon. So we are getting C double single bond oxygen, double bond carbon, and two more species will be attached. So this species is a stable species. This is a stable species. Why it is stable? Because of highly electron withdrawing group, that is your oxygen, highly electron withdrawing group present. So stability due to resonance. Stability due to resonance. So check it here. Suppose formaldehyde is given, HCHO, dilute NaOH, it will show reaction or not? It will not show reaction because here no alpha hydrogen is present. Check the structure, HC double bond OH. So this is the main functional group, and these are the two hydrogen attached with the main functional group. So here there will be no reaction. At the same time, from the benzene, if you are counting, Then this is your alpha carbon, and this carbon is not having hydrogen. So here if you are reacting with dilute NaOH, then here also no product formation will be done. So reduction due to alpha hydrogen, that you have to remember. Okay. So next, check the reaction. Aldol condensation. So first we have to form aldol. Aldol means compound which is having aldehyde functional group and OH, alcohol and aldehyde, both functional groups are present, then it's called aldol condensation. Okay. So let's talk about the example. CH2, one H I am writing here, C double bond O H. This is the compound. In that case, it is reacting with dilute NaOH. So from here OH minus species become free, and this is your alpha hydrogen, alpha hydrogen. So alpha hydrogen, this OH will approach this alpha hydrogen because of acidic nature, and hydrogen electron will be shifted on the carbon species. Then what happened? What we are getting now? Simple. CH2, and this carbon is getting negative sign because of electron. CHO. Now this species is working as a nucleophile. So this want nucleophilic center here. So who will provide the nucleophilic center in that case? Another species of aldehyde, same species, that is the mandatory part. Same species you have to use. So another species which is writing here, check it properly. Now we want CH3, C double bond oxygen and hydrogen. So this carbon having partial positive, and this is working as a nucleophilic center. So this negative carbon will attach with this positive carbon, then pi electron shifted towards the carbon. So what you are getting now, CH3, this CH3, then CH single bond oxygen, and oxygen is having negative sign because it is accepting electron, then CH2 and then CHO. After that we are using dilute NaOH. So NaOH, H plus and OH minus species is present here. So that H plus will approach this oxygen, and finally you are getting CH3, CH and one OH I am writing here, that CH2, one H I am writing here, and CHO. So check the species, children. This is your aldol. Here this is your aldehyde and this is your OH. So aldol formation is done. After the aldol formation, what you have to do? Simply heat the species and condensation will be performed. So this is your main functional group, this is your alpha carbon, this is your beta carbon. So from alpha and beta carbon, by the heating, remove water and condensation completed CH3, CH double bond, CH, CHO. These two electron converted into double bond here. Okay. So enol formation is done. That is our enol form. Simple process. So this is called aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. Aldol condensation is completed. So this is the complete mechanism of the reaction. Understand it. No need to learn anything, because same time I am going to tell you the short trick for the aldol condensation product. So check the short trick. What is the short trick for that? The short trick for aldol condensation product. Remember this point, it will help you so much. Suppose CH3CHO is given, reaction with dilute NaOH. So what you have to do, and this is the first condition. Second condition is heat. Second condition, heat. So what you have to do, you have to write the species like this: HCHO. Second unit, CH3 C double bond H. From here, water species you have to remove and write the species combining with double bond CH3 CH double bond CH CHO. So what I did, from here water removed, and this is your CH and this is your another CH will be attached here simply, so that enol formation is done. So no need to learn. If you know the trick, then you can solve easily. One more question: CH3 CO CH3 is given. At the same time, dilute NaOH and heat. First condition, dilute NaOH and heat. Then again same thing you have to do. Write the two hydrogen like this: COCH3 and another unit C double bond O and CH3. So next what you have to do, you have to remove water and write the species. So this is your CH3, single bond C, and one more CH3 is attached, CH3. Then here make double bond CH CO CH3. That is the product formation. So that is the short trick. Remember this trick. So I am giving you two questions. Solve by own. Try to solve. Number 3, CH3 CH2 CHO, dilute NaOH and heat. And the number 4th is C double bond O CH3, same condition. So try to solve these two questions. In the next video I will give the solution for these two questions. So thank you children. देखते रहिए Chemistry Guru. We are regular updating this. After this chapter we are going to start the amines. Thank you.